Here we are, Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2015 Honda CTX700 touring model. This is the twin cylinder, 670cc, fuel injected, liquid cooled, super smooth. You get yourself over 55 miles per gallon, beautiful low seat, modern cruiser styling with a forward foot peg. It also has the blue reflective tape on the wheels. It's got the passenger backrest with luggage rack and a tall touring windscreen. Only 13,000 miles on this gorgeous bike. Just serviced, brand new tires, new chain, fully maintained. Only $52.99. Come by, check it out, make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you for Contra Costa Powersports.